Hi all, so let's continue the second part of our series in which we were putting the seed together. So we have created a seed, we have connected to the parent class, but we just have to create one more thing. So first thing first, we have to create one more task in which we will try to find the seed which we do have in our whole project. We will check and we will select randomly and we will save it in our BP set object. So let's go to the rider. I will copy paste this make AI seed, paste it here. I will rename it as find random seed. Find random seed, press OK. First thing is like it will be one shot, so it will success. We will return and we have to change the key to the BKC. No, it is okay, but we have to set. Okay, so first thing first, let's go to the include. We will change the class name. So find random seed. Copy paste it. In the include also you have to update it. Alt O. Here just delete this. Paste it. Alt enter. And this is good. Okay, so in the task, if you will see, we have done the similar thing together when we were finding the location to hide. So what we will do actually, we will just copy paste it everything. Go back here, just delete. We don't need that. Paste it here. Alt enter. Alt enter. Okay, so here we have to pass the actor class which we are trying to find. I am finding a m seat. So in locator also I have to update it. It's a type of actor, so I will update it. I'm trying to find the m seats f6 seats ukismat math library. Okay, but here when we were finding the actor, the issue was we were finding it according to the distance, but here I don't want that. So one of the things which I do want, okay, I don't want this distance altogether because I do want to search the seat but randomly. Okay, so first I am saving everything. Okay, it's an actor, so it's a type of a actor only, so it will take that. Maybe we have to, in locator we have to cast, so a m seat pointer casted seat is equals to cast am seat because this function all actor of class function, it will save it as an actor, but we are searching as the am seat, so we can cast it easily. Okay, next thing is okay, I want random, so I will delete this logic 2. I don't want that. I do want to have the blackboard component, so let me have that logic. We do have blackboard component now. Okay, now we will choose random seats. this array fmath rand range 0 comma seats comma num minus 1. Okay, so we are checking if the seats are greater than 0, search anyone like in the range. Then I will save this here. Next is the target blackboard. We don't have it. I think we have updated the name, so ppk seat we will put it. Set value as object. Perfect. If it is not returning here, so I will ebt node result aborted or failed. Okay, this should work. Save, go to the behavior tree. mseat makes sure this is pointing to the seat object. Here also I will, okay, first I have to compile the project. Let me shift it here, compiling the project, go to the seat again. Okay, next thing is in the meantime it is compiling, we have to put this montage file together. We haven't done that. Okay, I have got an error. It is saying that unresolved in find random seat on montage. Give me a second. Montage. Okay, I got the error. Actually, I deleted the definition, but declaration was there. In private also we have this extra, so I will delete this one too, and let's debug it again. Okay, it is compiled successfully. Next thing, one thing which we do have to do is, like in the seat itself, you have to we have to fill these montages. So first is setting 1, next is clap, these are all setting. Next is disapproval, setting disapproval, and next is setting rubbing. Okay, so let me copy and paste the values just to save the time. Everything is same, these two, and here we have 40, 25. I have already checked these values, so I am just fast forwarding it. Let's compile and save. Let's check if things are working fine. And before it, I will search random seat, make sure that it is pointing to the right object, pp seat object, save, make seat. After seat, I will wait maybe for 5 seconds or something like that, then I can again execute my things. We can actually disconnect this just to check if everything is running fine. I found okay. Okay, okay, this is nice. Actually, he found the seat and directly he set there, so we have to put the move to condition. Move to, we have to put the target, so target is the pp seat object. Save. Again, let's check, but this was funny though. If you watch it carefully previously, what happened, as soon as it found the location, he directly teleported the component. So let's check it now. Now I found the seat, my bodyguards are here, I sat on the seat. Okay. Okay, this is something funny. I think something happened on interaction. Okay, I did a really stupid mistake. So actually in seat, okay, in the M seat, as soon as I have started interaction, it was all good. But in the montage end, it will try to put the mesh to back its capsule, right? But we are not doing that right now. So I sk mesh dot attach to component. Here I will have the capsule interacted ai dot get capsule component, comma f attachment transform rules relative. Okay, we have to include the header file for the capsule. Now everything should run fine. It was a really stupid mistake, and I was actually curious. Like he disappeared suddenly, so I was thinking, how is it happening? Okay, cool. Let's try this. So let's try it now. Follow. Nope, not follow. AI main. Let's connect this here just to test the things out again. I am dancing. The bodyguards are coming. Okay, I'm done with the dancing. Let's hope. I'm thinking to sit. I don't think. Okay, again dance. AI follow. Let me check. No, follow is fine. AI main. If it will again choose this, I think I will disconnect it just to check the scenario if everything runs fine or not. And waiting. Okay, now I am going to sit animation idle, going to wait. Again I can choose to sit together. Okay, this is perfect, this is running fine. So this was it for today. If you do like the tutorial, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.